Here's how to hide the chat in Roblox. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then after go to roblox.com and log into your account. There are two methods, one for hiding the chat in the game and another for hiding on the website. So the first method, which is to hide the chat via the website, click on the get icon in the top right corner and then go to settings. Then after go to privacy and content restrictions, which is between security and notifications. And then go to the communication tab and turn off everything using your PIN. This will hide the chat using the first method. Now to hide the in-game chat, click on the chat icon in the game, which is in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking it again will hide the chat. Alternatively, you can also use the slash key on your keyboard, which is located next to the shift key underneath the enter key. Then pressing it will toggle the chat's visibility. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.